Okay, so we have a couple of choices here, but I'm going to take a choice to go down and visit my friend Pedro at Food Truck, get a bifana, and I'll show you that as well. And we are on this street right here, which is Dos Ervanários, and we're going to be walking down that way. We'll get a bifana and then we'll complete our street. And I'll give you a little bit of a context where we are before we even start. We're basically in this area where we are not too far away from South Square and all the tourists that are going up and down Sao Paulo ruins, which is right up there. And I think we'll just start the next video by sharing that with you. We'll go up there and then we're going to go down and go get our bifana from a food truck, but we'll give you a little bit of context by going in, so so stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So that is going to be our target street, directly down that way. But you can see we kind of come out to Mercadore Street, Celigen Street, Ervanários, and a few other ones. Before we even go down, I'm just going to show you this busy street up here, and that kind of cool yellow building with the mannequins. I've always thought that was pretty cool. So Ervanários is already a very busy street, but I like to give some context to things. So we're going to start our context by coming up here, and this is where Sao Paulo Street starts. It's in this beautiful church as well. Guanyin? Must be Guanyin, right? So you can see all the tourists here, tons and tons of people everywhere. Macau is always quite busy, and you can see many people here. So just a big bottleneck of people up there. But that's not our focus street. Oh, they got Hanfu. That's kind of cool. We're going to follow the Hanfu. I like that. It's really cool. So we're going to go all the way down and catch our target street. That would have been a great thumbnail if that was my street. The Hanfu looking at oranges. Okay. Anyways, that's just giving you some context. So now we're just going down. And now we're going to go down this way, get some bifana. Now we're on our target street. This is basically a little narrow set of buildings right between these two. So we're going to be walking to the left, and this is called the Street of the Herbalist, Ervanários. That's the street that we just came from. Let's go check it out. So we're going to go see. We'll see if we get some bifana. There's a nice coffee shop, by the way. And actually they have a lot of coffee shops and different stuff as well. So let me just take a look at some of these ones. Lost and Found, 1854. They also have a lot of antique shops too, so I think they sell stamps in some of these. There's the stamps one up there. But they also have, yeah, there it is. Get some nice stamps in here. Got Over the Moon. And these little side alleys like that. Pork chop buns. Han food, cool. Let's see what else we got. We got lots of artwork. I think this one is a new one. I can see this one in purple. This one's been here for a while, but this one is brand new. At least first time that I've seen it anyways. Just to give you some context. I'm just gonna walk over here briefly because I'm gonna give you some. Oh, here's another money one. Oh, that one looks really cool. So that actually, we're gonna go right into that one over there. There's a yellow, green, and red one. And the food truck is in that little cluster. They got some decoration. They do like some kind of selling stuff in the evening. We're gonna go visit Pedro, get a bifana. Came to get a bifana.
Bifana?
Yeah.
Come to the right place.
Yeah, this is the best place to get a bifana, and Prego is the most well known, but
And the coolest supermarket also.
yeah, that's right.
I hope you agree.
I'll definitely get the bifana. So this is food truck right here, and this is right on this Ervanários street. So I'm gonna take a little pit stop, and I'll share the bifana in a minute. And then we're going to enjoy it, and then we're going to continue down our street of Ervanários. And that's Pedro, the owner of food truck.
Hi guys.
All right.
Very good.
Okay, so we're in food truck. We're going to get some bifana.
Need the bifana.
Take a look at that. There it is right there. So we're going to have that in a nice sandwich with a little bit of mustard right there. And then we're going to enjoy it and sit right over here outside. So we're gonna have a little bit of bifana. We'll show you a little bit of what else is here as well. So there's also bacalhau, mango milkshake, mango sticky rice, guava as well. There's usually you get prego or bifana with a super black. Congee as well. So we're gonna be sitting right there in a few minutes, and then we're gonna continue down our street. But we gave a nice little pit stop. There we go. So that's bifana right there. So I'll just kind of show you real quick. So we got a nice piece of bread. We got some mustard right here. That looks really tasty. We got our sumo, which is Portuguese orange drink, and we're gonna just enjoy the street. Let's take a bite while we're on camera. Really good. Really, really good. All right, so we're gonna continue on. I will say. All right, Pedro.
Okay. Ciao. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed. Have a good day, and come back and bring your viewers.
Sounds good.
Okay.
So you heard that, viewers.
Yeah.
See you, Pedro.
Bye bye.
All right. So we got some good bifana, which I do want to. Last time I was here, let me just kind of show some of the other stuff around here. So we got the Thai restaurant here. Food truck is down that way, and then we kind of have that one right there. They have some like pharmacy. They have some kind of like I was there and we interviewed that person the last time we were there as well. Okay, so we got some antique shops and we're gonna head all the way down to the end of our street. Some of the antique shops, they don't like it if I film, so we have to be careful about that. And then this one, we just kind of walk down real briefly. Oh, this has changed. So this is a kind of a cool little space. And actually now they have this little restaurant here now. Beef pho. Okay, so we're still on our Target Street, Rua dos Ervanários. We have this little space. I think this one you can eat at now. So they have some tables out. They didn't have that before, but I guess this is all connected to this new space right here. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. We got a coffee shop here. We got a nice little temple right here with a moon gate. So we're gonna check out the moon gate real quick. Yeah, so this street has tons of really cool little stuff, including this moon gate right here. Oh, we got this is Tutti Gong and we got the female with a bun. Those two to the left. Then Guayin. I don't know if I can step in here or not, but I want to know who this one is. I haven't seen this one in Macau that I'm aware of. I have to start looking for that one. But usually I'll see these three quite a bit. Okay. So we're gonna go around the corner. And we'll continue on. Got some magnets here. Hello. Got Dragon. That's in your Patane. This is Das Lindas is like beautiful lane. So some of these are famous and some of them are a little bit fabricated. Like there's a hood in Macau, for example. Got lots of other little alleys everywhere. So that's Rua dos Ervanários. And now we're at another street, Rua de Terceira. But I think we're just gonna keep it nice and short and sweet. And that'll be it for this particular one. There's a lot in here to film though. Yeah, that's Rua dos Ervanários. And it's kind of marked because it's Street of the Herbalist. So I guess like pharmaceutical, Chinese herbalist, basically herbalist. And then they put this big Portuguese sidewalk right here as well. So let's end it for this street. Ervanários. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.